In this video, I will show you how to add background music to YouTube video. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Adding background music to your YouTube videos has been shown to increase engagement and can just add a bit more interest to your videos. So to get started with this, what you're going to want to do first is make sure you're logged into the YouTube account that you want to add background music to YouTube videos for, and of course you want to make sure that you've already uploaded the video to YouTube. And once you've done that, come up to the top right hand corner, click on your profile icon, and on this menu that comes up, come down and click onto YouTube Studio. What you then want to do is come across to the left hand side and click onto content. So it's actually going to go ahead and display all your videos, and from here you want to find the video that you want to add some background music to. So let's go ahead and take this one as an example. What you're going to want to do is click onto the video, and that's going to take you into the video page. Then what you want to do is come to this menu on the left hand side and click onto editor. What it's going to do is bring up your video in the editor, as you can see here, and to add background music, if you look at the top in the edit section, you're going to see a section for audio. So what you want to do is go ahead and click the plus button to add audio. And what you can do is go through and search for a background song. So you can use this search box at the top as well to search by genre, mood, BPM, duration, and some other things. But we're going to go ahead and select mood. I want this one to be quite relaxed. So let's go ahead and select chill and then click apply. So I've added a filter there, and all these are going to be background tracks that are basically on a chill vibe. So you can see, for example, this one is 2 minutes and 28, 3 minutes and 21. You can go ahead and preview the tracks by clicking the play button here. And what you can do is check the licensing for each of these background musics by coming to the right hand side and hovering over the logo. The best kind of license to go for is the one with the YouTube logo. So as you can see, it says you can use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize, and no attribution is required. You can also click onto view details to view more information about this particular license. Another common one you might see is Creative Commons attribution, which means again you can use this audio track in any of your videos, but you must include attribution information in your video description. In other words, you need to give credit for the audio to the original creator by inputting their details and things like that. But of course you can click to find more information on each of these different license informations. Now once you've found a track that you want to add, all you need to do, let's take this Sunny Travel one for example. So you can click play as mentioned to preview the track and see what it sounds like. And then what you want to do is come to the right hand side and click onto the plus button to add this to the editor. As you can see, it's added it to the editor, so this is going to play in line with my video. And what we can do is click and hold down the left mouse button to drag and drop this basically wherever we want. Of course, if we want the track to continue throughout the length of the video, because the video is 9 minutes long, this track's only 2 minutes 28. What we would do is just add another track and just simply drag this just after the other track, just like so, and repeat the process. If you want to preview the video at any point to see what this is like with the music, of course you've got the play button here with the preview window, so you can click play and see exactly what this sounds like and how it looks and things like that basically. So once you're happy with everything, just come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the save button. Once that's done, as you can see, you're going to get a confirmation box, so you just want to read through this, tick the box to acknowledge those changes, and then click onto confirm changes to apply your changes and add background music to your YouTube video. So that is how to add background music to YouTube video. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.